Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to move to Bluesky from Twitter X. First, go to your web browser and search for Bluesky. Now open the first link to visit the website. Next, click the extension icon in the top menu bar. Then go to the Manage Extensions option. Here, click the search bar and type Sky to find its extension. If you can't find it, click Get More Extensions on the left side. If you use the Opera browser, then it will direct you to the Opera add-ons. Next, search for Sky Followers Bridge, and there are few search results. You can check out the Chrome Web Store by clicking on it at the bottom. After that, search Sky Followers Bridge and select it for Chrome extension. Now click Add to Chrome and hit Add Extension in the pop-up. It will start installing this extension in a while, so wait for it to complete. Next, navigate to the Bluesky site and click the Sign In button. To sign in, add your credentials, including your email and password. Once signed in, click the extension icon and select Sky Followers Bridge. In the pop-up, enter your handle or email and a password. Make sure to open the X account on a new tab. Then click Find Bluesky Users in the pop-up menu. It will start scanning and finding Bsky users. When it is done, click the View Detected Users button. You can now view the list of users and follow them from your account. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.